Hi, I'm Laura and welcome to this How to Crochet series by Annie's. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to join new yarn. When crocheting a project, you'll join new yarn when you run out of yarn of a color and have to add a new skein, or when you change colors. It's easy to do once you know how. Let's get started.
When you need to join a new ball of yarn, whether you're changing colors or you're just running out of yarn, you're going to work part of the stitch. And when you have just 2 loops left on your hook, you're going to bring in your new yarn. You want to leave a decent sized tail, anywhere from 4 to 6 inches. And then you're going to pull that new yarn through. Generally, it's best to try to join your new yarn at the end of a row. And then you'll just work your next row's instructions over the tail. You don't have to, but if you work your stitches over your tail, like this, then you are already partially weaving in your tail as you go. As you can see, it's already stuck behind these stitches. You can join a new ball of yarn in the center of a row. You'll do that in the same way. You'll work the first part of your stitch. When you have 2 loops left, you'll bring in the new color and pull it through. And again, it's best to work over your yarn tails.
Thanks for watching. Remember, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our new crochet videos coming up. And tell us in the comments what you plan to do now that you know how to change colors. Do you think you'll make a stripy scarf or another project with stripes? So let us know what you think. We love hearing from all of you. See you next time.